Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making an amazing no-bake dessert, no oven needed, no baking at all, and the taste is just like a soft, rich chocolate cake. This delicious treat is called biscuit pudding, and you can make it with any simple tea biscuits you already have at home. First, we're going to prepare the chocolate pudding layer. In a saucepan I'm adding 1 cup of milk, ½ cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Mix everything really well. Make sure the cocoa powder dissolves completely. We don't want any lumps. Once the mixture looks smooth, turn on the stove and start cooking it on medium heat. Mix, mix, and mix. Now, in a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1/3 cup of cold milk. Stir until the cornstarch dissolves, then pour this into the chocolate mixture. Keep stirring continuously. If you stop stirring, the mixture can stick to the bottom of the pan. After a few minutes, you'll see it start to thicken. Look at that, it already looks like store-bought chocolate pudding. But this one is homemade, fresher, and honestly, tastes even better. Once it becomes thick and glossy, turn off the heat. Now we're ready to assemble our pudding. Dip each biscuit quickly into milk. Layering the biscuit pudding. To make perfect layers, take any light, sweet tea biscuits. Don't soak them too long, and place them at the bottom of your dish. Once the base is covered, pour a layer of the warm chocolate pudding on top. Now repeat the process. Dip more biscuits in milk, place them over the pudding, and add another layer of chocolate. Keep building your layers until you reach the top. Many layers make this dessert even more delicious, and the best part? This recipe doesn't need baking powder, white flour, or an oven. It's simple, quick, and anyone can make it at home. Just layer your biscuits, pour the chocolate pudding, and repeat. The more layers, the better the taste. Whenever my kids or my family crave a dessert and I don't have much time, this is the one I make. It's quick, simple, and always turns out delicious. Every time I prepare it, they enjoy it so much. The layers, the chocolate, the softness, it's the perfect last-minute treat that makes everyone happy. Sometimes I even make a slightly bigger batch so we can enjoy it the next day too. It tastes just as delicious, and your family will love it as well. For the final touch, I'm sprinkling biscuit crumbs all around the top to give it a beautiful finish. You can also add chocolate chips, nuts, or a drizzle of chocolate ganache if you want to make it extra fancy. Now the layering and decoration are all done, and it already looks so rich and chocolatey. But we still have to wait a little longer because the pudding hasn't fully set yet. Once it chills and firms up, that's when you'll see the perfect layers and the real magic of this dessert. Place the pudding in the fridge for at least 1 hour so it can set nicely. After 1 hour, look at this, my pudding is ready. Cut a piece and gently lift it out onto the plate. It looks so yummy, so chocolatey, and you can clearly see all those beautiful layers. The texture is soft, creamy, and absolutely delicious. This is such an easy dessert, and I promise you, once you try it, you will fall in love with it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing desserts and easy recipes. I'll see you in my next video.